Hey friends, meet Nono. He is busy making his family tree. He begins the tree with a picture of his grandparents, then his parents, and finally he pastes his own picture. His family tree is now ready. This family tree reminds me of the factor tree that we use in maths to prime factorize the numbers. There are two ways of prime factorizing a number. One is the factor tree method and the other the division method. We use prime factorization to find the LCM of given numbers. Let us first find the LCM of 12 and 16 using the factor tree method of prime factorization. The first step is to prime factorize the numbers. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. We can start with any factor pair to form the factor tree. Here we start with 2 and 6. 2 is a prime number and cannot be split further, so circle it. 6 can be further factorized to 2 and 3. As 2 and 3 are prime numbers, we will circle them. So 12 is represented as the product of its prime factors as 2 into 2 into 3. Now let us prime factorize 16. 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 are the factors of 16. So start with the factor pair 2 and 8. As 2 is a prime number, circle it. 8 can be further factorized to 2 and 4. Circle 2 and factorize 4 into 2 and 2. Circle both the 2's as 2 is a prime number and cannot be factorized further. So 16 is represented as the product of its prime factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. The next step is to pick out the factors common to the numbers, which are 2 and 2. The third step is to pick out the uncommon factors, which are 3, 2 and 2. The final step is to multiply the common and uncommon factors to get the LCM. So we multiply 2, 2, 3, 2 and 2 to get the LCM as 48. The steps remain the same in the division method also. The only difference is the method of factorization in the first step. Now let's factorize 12 and 16 by the division method. In this method, we divide the numbers with the smallest prime number and write the quotient in the next row. The division of the numbers by prime factors is continued till we get 1. Both the numbers 12 and 16 can be written as the product of their prime factors. The rest of the steps remain the same as that of the factor tree method. Pick out the common factors first, followed by the uncommon factors to both the numbers, and lastly, multiply them to find the LCM of the given numbers. Finally, we have found the LCM of the numbers 12 and 16 using both the methods of prime factorization. Time for you all to go and try some questions. See you next time.